Hey guys, it's Miss JENITA back again with another video. A little shopping haul video along with some what's going on news around the world. Well, not exactly around the world, but around in this country. Have y'all, okay, let me tell you where this haul from. This Ajax 12 ounce bottles, I got the, what is it? The lemon, and the one is the antibacterial one, and the other one is a super degreaser lemon. But yeah, it's 5 bottles. Why 5 12-ounce bottles? Because Food for Less, aka Kroger, aka Ralph's, Smith's, whatever ones is under the Kroger name, every store might not be the same, but at our Food for Less, they have a buy 5 and get it for 99¢. The detergent was, well, the dish detergent, we got 5 and they were 99¢. Other than that, one would be $1.49. They got barbecue sauce. Last week they had the celery and a few other things. They repeating this week's sale. But today is Monday, so tomorrow, Tuesday, is the last day. If Southern California folks that got Food for Less, y'all want to get that sale, buy 5, the item is 99¢. Go online, see they ad, or go to the market and get the ad, and you guys can shop some good deals at Food for Less. Now, with the peroxide, I got that from Walmart. Need that in our life. And y'all know when y'all put that on a wound or a cut or something, it foam up. It's supposed to be eating up the germs and stuff. It just foams up like soap bubbles. And that way you know it's eating up the germs or whatever. Love peroxide. It's used for other stuff, but we just use it for, you know, disinfect. And what else? Oh, I got that alcohol back there, Jose Cuervo margarita mix in tequila. Honeys, I had this for a while and it was behind something, and I just found this liquor. Miss JENITA's drinking has severely slowed down. I ain't drinking around here like I used to. No siree. I had enough in my, well, I drank enough, but the liquor is getting aged, and I guess every now and then I'll have a taste, but it's far and in between, more far than between. So the bottle, I guess the liquor is good. I don't know about the margarita mix, but it's just sitting in that box. I think this was a holiday purchase. I think it was on sale, $10, $12 or something. Look down there. They go together. But yeah, okay. And also in the news, y'all heard about on Netflix, supposed to be getting sued by these people because Netflix is going to be showing a movie called Cleopatra, and in the movie they're showing this lady, a black woman. They say she mixed, but whatever, she black, and somebody want to sue Netflix because they want to say Cleopatra was white. I doubt it. And if y'all know better in the comments, say so in the comments. If y'all know Cleopatra was not a white woman, she had French braids, she had all that. Please. Okay, y'all know y'all history. If y'all think Cleopatra is white or black, you want to share your opinion, your thoughts, your ideas, put it in the comments. But yeah, that's ridiculous. Then folks fussing over the Little Mermaid, just as cute, as adorable as she want to be, supposed to be coming out, I guess, in May, and Little Mermaid is black, and a lot of white folks was pissed about it. But it's just a movie, and it's just a character. Why are you angry? See, that just means racism. You gonna get mad at a cute, adorable young lady because she black being Little Mermaid, because Little Mermaid is not a real thing. It's fictional. And people gonna get mad because she not white. Please, come on. People can, well, some things folks can do and some you can't do will be considered crazy, but nowadays it just don't make no sense. I am just reporting the news. This is allegedly. This ain't got nothing to do with my opinion or nothing, my thoughts, my views, I'm just sharing with y'all what's going on in the world. They mad at Netflix for having a black woman playing Cleopatra, and a lot of folks are mad at Disney for portraying Little Mermaid as a black mermaid. but she's so cute in the commercial. And the children won't know no different. They just not gonna see adorableness unless a grown up or a person put that in their mind and said that ain't how it's supposed to be. But anyway, fast forwarding, I think. Here I have some Dixie plates. I bought 4 of those because I had some. I bought that from Target. I think it was a sale. Target had spend so much money and get 15 back. I must have made like $45 on that deal. I bought 4 of these Dixie plates. It's 64 plates. And it was cheaper than me getting them. I guess, no, it probably was around the same. But they some good plates. What else did I get? The Drano and stuff. And yeah, I made like at least about $45 off of that deal. I love when Target had those deals. You get $15 gift cards back. If y'all also like Target when they do the big money gift cards back and you need the stuff they selling and you go and get them gift cards, then you come back and purchase something else. Oh yeah. And then I got Microsoft cash back, because if my points are growing and I can get Target gift cards and put that on my Target site, I love it. I love these things when it comes to couponing and stuff and saving money that kind of way. Y'all got Microsoft cashback rewards. You know they got Rakuten, and there's Ibotta, which I'm doing Ibotta, being in Ibotta, and Rakuten too. They just deposit my money into PayPal. And when my money get deposited in PayPal, some of you guys that have stuff y'all be selling, like I bought a sushi book, and I use my PayPal change that I get from when I coupon and stuff. So if I see something I like and somebody, my YouTube friends, knowing y'all well from over the years and watching the videos, and we support each other. If y'all selling something, if I need it, if I like it, I'll just use my coupon money on PayPal and purchase something from y'all. And vice versa, whatever. But yeah, I got that from there. And then I just got these Reynolds slow cooker liners up there. I got to restock on those. I love those things. And I got that peppermint during the holidays. I'm gonna make me on Mother's Day a chocolate cake and put that peppermint frosting on there. Y'all had that peppermint frosting? Let me know. Is it good? Well, I'm gonna use that on my chocolate cake. Yes, I will. But yeah, also, what else going on? I told y'all about Jamie Foxx. I don't know if he's still in the hospital or not. Well wishes to him. And I've been looking at a lot of videos, folks just talking. Now, everybody don't know nothing really. They just know what, like I'm telling y'all, what I hear somebody else saying, I just share with y'all. It's all alleged. Don't nobody know for sure what's going on with that guy. But what else? Still food recalls and all that stuff like that going on. If y'all want to share something in the comment, go ahead on. But remember, if you want to know something about YouTube, it might be a little bit difficult now. If I share what I know about it, I'll let you know. Like I told you, YouTube sent me a message one day and told me I got to have an 8-minute video. If you got to monetize, if my channel is monetized, this one, and I have to do 8-minute videos in order to get a nickel, a quarter, a dime. So that's why my videos run for 8 minutes. And I guess I don't know if it mattered when you trying to build your channel to start getting monetized, if you should be making 8-minute videos already on some of your videos, just in case, if you want to get paid. I'm not really sure if you need to be doing that now, because a lot of people just doing 2 minutes, a minute, whatever. And when you get that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours, and you don't have a video, 8 minutes, I don't know. Y'all got to check it out for yourself. Now that I don't know. If I knew, I'd tell you. I'm not selfish. I'll let you know. Well, what I do share on here, maybe it get me in trouble, maybe not. I don't know. Things been going on, like a lot of things going on that I ain't got no control over. Like I told y'all once upon a time, I used to have so many subscribers. And what happened? I shared some information that was true, because I got it from somebody else that they shared it. And on my channel, I always say allegedly, so I don't know what the heck going on. But when I share stuff, certain strange things start happening. I ain't got no control what go on YouTube. They can do whatever they want on anybody's channel. They can take you down. They can put you up. Believe it. Don't deny it. It's true. If YouTube wants you to have a bunch of people, then if they want your channel, they put your channel in the mainstream, and you will get a lot of subscribers. Other than that, if you stuck at 30,000 or 10,000, that's because that's where you can. They want your ass. Or you got to work extra hard and get some more subscribers. Now you say, oh, I'm doing the most over here and I should be having most subscribers. I say allegedly, if this is going on, because YouTube is in charge of their stuff. If you doing something violating their community rules or whatever, or if you ain't violating the community, I don't know, allegedly, YouTube is in control of what you do on your channel. They shut you down. You know, but I'm going to continue this conversation in another video because I done made my little time and I'm about to get up off of here. It's all in the game, y'all. Y'all got to follow these rules. Remember, if you cuss, swear, whatever, on your monetized station, they got a little section in there where you got to let them know, is this a violent video? Are you cussing? Is it, if you go disturb some people, you're going to make people feel bad, all that. If people that don't know, because you ain't monetized, all that stuff, they got a section. And I guess in the next video, if I remember, I'll just read all that stuff off of y'all. What if you making a video, what you cannot do when you monetize. All right, y'all, I got to go. And I'm put this up because I got to go coloring. Put my coloring video up. I got to put my how to practice making tier trays. You can watch that on my crafting channel and watch my gardening channel. And if y'all into that stuff. No, I didn't almost walk away from here without saying welcome, visitors, new friends, passy-bys, look and lose. If you subscribe, thank you. If you hit the thumbs up button, thank you. If you hit the notifications, thank you. All of that matters. If you don't subscribe, you give me a thumbs up. If you don't give me a thumbs up, if you hit the notification, you just like watching my video, thank you. You want to speak on it, hit an emoji. If you don't want to talk, or just keep on passing by and looking, looing all up on my video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you. Welcome back. Appreciate you. Respect you. I'm here for you. This is YouTube World.